How to change TikTok profile picture or profile video. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change TikTok profile picture or video. In order to begin with this procedure, update the application and then open up or log into your TikTok application. Once you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. On this page, click on the profile icon located right at the bottom, and in order to make changes with your profile ID or your profile video, what you need to do is click on the edit button right over here, and as you can see, you'll be able to make changes with your videos. So if you want to change your profile picture, click on change photo, which is underneath your photo. Just tap on it or just tap on the camera icon and you'll be provided with different alternatives such as take a picture, or you can select it from your gallery or view photos. So you can do either one of these options. Since I'm gonna go with selecting from the gallery and click on allow access. Now select the image that you wish to add it as a profile picture. Now if you're sure about this, click on the tick icon located right on top, click on the confirm button, and you can just drag and drop the picture. In order to arrange the size of the picture, click on the save button. Now here you go, that the photo has been changed. Similarly, in order to make changes with your video, do the same procedure. Click on the change video button. Now you can either remove the video, or you can just watch the video, or you can change the video. Do the same procedure as I did earlier, and that is how you can make changes with your picture or your video. In this way you can change TikTok profile picture or video. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.